short video walkthrough of this 2003 Hunter 386 cruising sailboat. Okay, first we'll start off at the bow, hoping that I can keep my balance on this blustery day. Large anchor locker with plenty of tackle. Looking aft, you can see the fractional rig that's been re-stepped twice since 2016. You can also see the hatch covers. The owner devised this terry cloth-like material to cover the hatches, which has essentially kept them from crazing over the years like most hatches would. It's quite amazing. They look brand new. New canvas all around, about a year or so ago. You can also see the in-mast furling main. Now I'll make my way back to the cockpit, again trying not to fall in the water. Got relatively new davits here. The nav electronics were upgraded in 2024. Pretty much everything you need here. They also synchronize with the electronics at the nav station. Let's now head down to the salon. Everything has really been kept up here. The teak looks great. Fabrics were upgraded in 2021. The L-shaped galley. You can see the list of equipment here. Teak sole looks great. There's a flush-mounted acrylic skylight over the salon as well. This was rebedded in 2020. Here's a good look of the salon looking forward. Fully equipped nav station. Roomy V-berth, well lit for sure. The sink, the mirror. A great view aft. Again, typical Hunter layout. Dedicated nav station with full electrical panel, gauges for water, fuel, holding tank, and also a Garmin plotter that interfaces with the helm. There's a TV in the salon as well. The head has a separate shower stall with curtain, freshwater electric flush with a macerator as well. And then aft, interestingly, there's an athwartship situated second berth. Lots of room here. Here's a look at the engine. This is a great looking boat awaiting her next adventure. Come check her out.